Let us start with angles in linear pair. Observe the given diagram properly. Given figure. Name the angles in figure alongside. We find two angles are there. Angle PQR and angle RQS. Angle PQR and angle RQS. These two angles are found in this figure. It is a type of adjacent angles. Observe the figure carefully. Ray QR is a common arm and interior parts are different. So it is a pair of adjacent angle. Which arm of the angles are not the common arm? Ray QP and ray QS. This arm is not a common arm. With the help of protractor, when you measure the measure of PQR and RQS, the measurements are PQR is 125 and RQS is 55. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Means it is adjacent as well as it is a supplementary pair of angles. Okay. See the rays QP and QS. It is an opposite ray having a common origin and form a straight line. When such conditions satisfied, then this pair of angles are called as a linear pair angles. What condition is there? One arm is common, another arm is form a straight line. Okay, it is a opposite ray form a straight line. When such condition satisfied, it is called as a angles in linear pair. Always angles in linear pair are supplementary angles. The sum of measures of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Let me explain one more time. In the given figure, QR is a common arm. QP and QS are the opposite ray, form a straight line. Such pair of angles are called as a linear pair angles, and sum of linear pair angle is 180 degree. They are a supplementary angle. Angles which have a common arm whose other arms form a straight line, QP and QS form a straight line, are said to be angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pair are supplementary angles. Let us revise one more time linear pair angles. Okay, observe the figure carefully. You find two angles, angle ABC and angle ABD. Okay, in that arm AB is common. Okay, it is a common. Then opposite another arm BC and BD. It is a opposite ray and form a straight line. So they are a linear pair angles. Okay, one arm is common, another arm is a opposite ray and form a straight line. Okay, with the help of protractor, when you measure, angle ABC is 80 degree and angle ABD is 100 degree. Sum is 180. So they are supplementary angles. Okay. Let us start with the practice set 19. Draw the pair of angles as described below. One statement has given. With the help of that, we have to draw a pair of angles. If that is not possible, we have to give the reason why we cannot draw that pair of angles. First statement, complementary angles that are not adjacent. Okay, complementary angles means pair of angles whose sum of measure is 90 degree. Okay, I have to draw the complementary angle, but they should not be adjacent. Okay, so it is I can draw any two acute angle whose measurement is coming 90 degree. So satisfied my condition, they are complementary pair of angles, as well as they both are separate. Then arm is not a common, interior parts are different, so they are not a adjacent. So I can draw any two acute angles. Angles in linear pair which are not supplementary. Just now we have learned linear pair angles. In the linear pair angles always a supplementary angle. So we cannot draw an angle which is not a supplementary but linear pair. Angles in linear pair are supplementary angles. Angles in linear pair which are not supplementary cannot be drawn. See, as we learn linear pair angles, what is the condition for linear pair? One arm is common, okay, and remaining arm is the opposite ray. So opposite ray form a straight line. What is a straight angle? What is the measurement of straight angle? 180 degree. So they are supplementary. So I cannot, or we cannot draw an angle which is linear pair but not a supplementary. This condition is not satisfied, so we cannot draw this angle. Complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Do not form a linear pair, okay, means they are not adjacent. Complementary means their sum is 90 degree. So I can draw any two acute angle which form my satisfy the condition complementary angle. Okay. Adjacent angle which are not a linear pair. Adjacent angle. Okay. What is the condition for adjacent angle? One arm is common, interior parts are different, but they are not a linear pair. So I can draw like this obtuse, acute or right angle which show one arm is common and another, interior are different. So here angle ABD and angle DBC is a pair of adjacent angle. And what is the sum of that? 90 degree. So they are not a linear pair angles. Angle which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Complementary means the sum must be a 90 degree and nor a adjacent. Okay, for the adjacent one arm is common, interior parts are different. So I can draw any two angles, whether they are acute, obtuse or right angle, two different angles with the measurement, with different measurement, but only that it should not be complementary, so sum should not become 90 degree. Angle in a linear pair which are complementary. Linear pair angles but are complementary, not possible, because linear pair angles are always a supplementary pair of angles. So we cannot draw the angles in a linear pair which are complementary. Angles in linear pair have their sum as 180 degree, but complementary angles have their sum as a 90 degree. So it not possible to draw angles in linear pair which are complementary.